Kapamilya, for JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is never gone because... JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is
My
never
love
gone
is
because...
never gone because of you.
Fiang, ikaw naman. Ayan.
Buti! Ilaban mo yan.
Love is never gone because of... Ooh! You! Of us!
Of us. So when you say us, meaning...
Kayo na.
Ha?
The whole cast.
Whole cast, oo. Kasi love na love namin yung whole cast.
Okay, sige na nga, Fiang. For Joshua and Ivana, the teleserye is titled Love is Never Gone. Pero sa'yo ba,